Let's have a conversation about what academic integrity is. Academic dishonesty is cheating, plagiarism, and collusion are all examples of academic dishonesty. Students are expected to complete assignments and exams, exemplifying their best individual work and refrain from any behavior that would unfairly improve their grade or the grade of another student. Failure to follow this policy may result in a failing grade on the exam or quiz or homework or anything that we're working on. Okay, let's break this down a little bit. Cheating, plagiarism, that's someone taking a quiz for you, someone giving you an answer, copying someone's answers on a quiz or a test. That's blatant cheating. A grade is supposed to be a reflection of how well you understand the work, or of how much you have learned. When someone else does work for you, that's not what you've learned, and that's not that's taking away from the integrity of the grade. All right, let's talk a little bit more about cooperation and cheating. I want you to work with each other. This is not to say you can't do any of your work as a group or with each other. I think the place for that is if you're practicing something, like I have all the IXLs lined out for the chapter, you can go work with each other and practice that, or any of the practice exercises. Absolutely do those as a group. If you're on a homework problem and you need some help with that, talking to a friend, talking to a teacher, then another teacher, a parent, getting help there, that can be fine. But you are responsible for knowing how to do it. But when it comes to the quizzes and tests, 100% can't get help on those. Those are for you to do by yourself. And I hate to say it, there are ways I can tell when people have worked off the same answers. We know what school you go to. We know exactly when quizzes were submitted. There's other ways that I can tell. And I don't like to see it. So, take your own quizzes, take your own tests. All right, on the link posted below this video, go ahead, take the survey, let me know what academic integrity means to you, and give me an example of something that you've seen that you would definitely say is cheating.